I'm with the man with the shades. You good, man?
No, I'm okay, my nigga. How's it going?
Good. So what's your name?
Mhlengi.
And then your girlfriend?
It's Akona.
Akona.
Absolutely.
Okay. How long have you been together?
If I'm not mistaken, my brother, it's 6 months.
6 months.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, interesting. So when last did you see her?
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah, we were together yesterday.
Okay, cool. Can we type her numbers?
No worries, my nigga. It's 071 111 86.
Don't call them.
87.
Don't mention them. And then I just need you to be silent, ne?
Okay.
Yeah. Niyathandana mara? Or niyadlala?
Hayi kabuhlungu kabi dam. Sengicabanga nanokummithisa futhi mina manje lolu thando lethu ngifuna ukulitake into a next step. Mfowethu.
Okay. 6 months marincane.
It's the start.
Yeah. Hi. Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila.
You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm here with your partner. We want to ask you a few questions. If you're going to answer them right, your partner will win 1,000 rand.
All right.
Yeah. How long have you been together with your partner?
5 months.
5 months.
Yeah.
Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
Sorry?
Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
A bit light.
Okay. When last did you see your partner?
A month ago.
Okay. What is his name?
Oh, why?
Ngifuna wazi.
Hi, Bo. Okay.
Ubani?
Wrong.
Eh?
Wrong.
Sibo what?
Anguza.
Ubani?
It's wrong.
Sibonga.
Yeah.
Usho?
Yeah, sure.
Sawubona babe.
Oh, uzothi umuntu mama.
Uzothi?
Yazizwa kodwa manje uthi usuthini manje?
Anguzwa.
Uyaphila kodwa?
Ngiyaphila wena njani?
Ngishaphi mama manje yini lento osuyisho usibonga ubani futhi manje nesibonga?
Usibonga umuntu wami wena ubani?
Lo kade unaye izolo kanti ubani?
Anguzwa.
Lona kade unaye izolo kanti yena uyini yena mengawona umuntu wakho yena?
Ngitshela igama lakho mfethu.
Ngumhlengi mina ngiyena sibonga.